Here I walk the corridors of time again, through the gate of DM College of Arts in Foul, where January rain kissed old red walls and laughter down the hall. I was first year, you were second year, books pressed close to your heart, and I just watched from afar. I never said a word, never had the nerve to smile, just sat by the veranda watching you all the while. Here I am, my silent love, my darling. Why does my heart wait tonight from silence calling? It's been 28 years, I still see your face in rain, but the colors fade, your smile's a blur again. My heart's not old, it still dreams true, even after time and storms blew through. Here I am, still singing for you, my love, my first, my only girl. The veranda bench where I used to wait, your dimpled smile rewrote my fate. You passed me by, the world stood still, and I whispered love against my will. I chased those shadows, I chased those dreams, through college gates and sunset gleams. Though life pulled me far away, that look in your eyes still stays. Now I live a life that never felt like mine, bound to a story I read between the lines. Years went by, the mirror lies, but your memory never dies. Is it foolish to wonder, are you still alive? Did life treat you kind? Did your dreams survive? I try to see your face tonight, but it dissolved in fading smile someday, not to hold, not to claim, not to claim, just to see who once awakened me. Here I am, beneath January rain, remembering love that never came. roads of time again, through the gate of DM College of Arts and fell, where January rain kissed old red walls and laughter hung down the hall. I was first year, you were second year, books pressed close to your heart, and I just watched from afar. I never said a word, never had the nerve to smile, just sat by the veranda, watching you all the while. Here I am, my silent love, my darling. Why does my heart wake tonight from silence calling? It's been 28 years, I still see your face in rain, but the colors fade, your smile's a blur again. My heart's not old, it still dreams true, even after time and storms blew through. Here I am, still singing for you, my love, my first, my only good. The veranda bench where I used to wait, your dimpled smile rewrote my fate. You passed me by, the world stood still, and I whispered love against my will. I chased those shadows, I chased those dreams, through college gates and sunset gleams. Though life pulled me far away, that look in your eyes still stays. Now I live a life that never felt like mine, bound to a story I read between the lines. Years went by, the mirror lies, but your memory never dies. Is it foolish to wonder, are you still alive? Did life treat you kind? Did your dreams survive? I tried to see your face tonight, but it dissolved in fading light. If fate allows, before I fade, I wish to see you smile someday. Not to hold, not to claim, just to see who once awakened me. Here I am, beneath January rain, remembering love that never came. In the gate of memories, I still stand, a boy with a dream, holding your hand. He still loves, he still loves, he still loves. Ooh.